If you're a real estate agent, photographer, or just looking to improve your property photos, this video is for you. Today, we're covering essential tips to elevate your real estate photography skills. Great photos can make a significant impact, so whether you're just starting out or refining your skills, these tips will help you showcase properties beautifully. Let's jump right in. First up, equipment. You don't need the latest gear, but having the right tools makes a big difference. A DSLR or mirrorless camera is a great start. These offer the manual controls needed for adjusting settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Pair it with a wide-angle lens, something between 10mm and 24mm, to capture more of the room, making spaces look larger. A sturdy tripod is essential. It stabilizes your camera, especially in low light, ensuring sharp shots. It also allows for longer exposures to brighten the scene without upping the ISO. A remote shutter release can help eliminate any camera shake, giving you crisp, clear images. With the right gear, you'll be well on your way to capturing stunning real estate photos. Next, let's talk about composition. How you frame your shot is crucial. Use the rule of thirds by dividing your frame into a grid and placing key elements along these lines for a balanced photo. Leading lines like hallways or furniture can draw the viewer's eye and add depth to your images. Shoot interiors at chest height for a natural perspective and aim to capture 3 walls in your frame to show depth. Make sure the space is decluttered. Remove personal items and unnecessary decor to let the room's features shine. Good composition makes a space look inviting and well organized. Lighting can make or break your photos. Natural light is your best friend, so shoot during the day and open up curtains to let in light. For rooms with poor lighting, use external flashes or softboxes to fill in shadows and create an even, soft light. Avoid harsh shadows by bouncing light off walls or ceilings. Consider using HDR photography. Take multiple exposures, overexposed, underexposed, and neutral, and combine them to capture all details. This technique balances the light, making the image look realistic. Keep an eye on color temperature to avoid mixed lighting issues and adjust the white balance in your camera settings if needed. After shooting, it's time to edit. Software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop is perfect for enhancing your photos. Start with exposure adjustments to brighten or darken your image as needed. Then, adjust contrast to make the photo pop, and use the white balance tool to correct any color casts. Straighten and crop your images to ensure they look balanced and aligned. Use basic retouching to remove minor imperfections like dust spots or reflections. Remember, the goal is to enhance, not alter the space. Subtle editing can make a room look its best without making it look fake. Finally, let's go over some best practices. Always prepare the space before shooting. Clean, declutter, and stage it to look inviting. Take multiple shots from different angles to give yourself options and capture the best perspective. Experiment with different viewpoints to find the most flattering shot. Pay attention to the weather. Overcast days provide soft, even lighting for exteriors, while harsh sunlight can create unwanted shadows. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent style in your photos to build a professional portfolio that attracts clients. Follow these tips, and you'll capture beautiful, compelling real estate photos every time. And that's it. By following these basic tips, you can significantly improve your real estate photography. Remember, great photos don't just showcase a property, they tell a story and sell a lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment with any questions or future video ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.